Well, this afternoon's work is this beautiful silver FN2 Civic, and we're going to use the Ecutek software on the standard ECU to map it. Samuel is strapping the car as we speak. Richard is installing the AFR sensor in the back, and then we should do a standard power run. And once the standard power run is complete, that gives us a baseline. Then we will flash a race ROM, which is the Ecutek software, to the ECU, and then we'll have the ability to data log. Once we're data logging, we'll start tuning and we'll go from there. So, another FN2. How you feeling, Sam?
Fantastic. We're getting nice and deep down here. So.
He's going deep. I like it, Sam. I like it. So we've installed the Ecutek race ROM. Samuel's getting in the car because I'm learning.
Yeah, he's learning.
No, I'm teaching.
He's learning. And now it's time to do a run.
I'm retiring, so I'm getting him ready. I'm going to show him 10, probably 10 EP3s and 10 things, and then I expect him to be able to do it, and then I'm retiring.
Oh dear. How's it going, Kiddlywinks?
Fantastic.
You learning something, mate?
I'm telling him what to do.
Oh yeah.
I am, aren't I, Rich?
Yeah.
Telling him what to do.
To be honest, my mapping's been better since he's been here.
Yeah.
What can I say?
Yeah.
The new face of Dynodaze Ltd.
Just come straight in, took the glory.
Took summit.
Yeah. Took the piss.
Took the length. What are you smiling at?
I'm just happy.
You love it here, don't you, mate?
I do.
Let's be honest, you love it here.
I do.
Yeah. Get paid here as well.
Let's talk about that.
Okay. Well, there's another FN2 Civic mapped. What do you know, Rich? What you got?
What a little Lego.
Oh, nice.
No, it's mine. It's my egg.
Spit it in my mouth, mate.
You want?
No, I don't want. So anyway, FN2 Civic in the house. Now this one's a little bit different because it's had some gearbox work done.
Yeah, so a different final drive. Wheel down gear. Obviously, we're generally doing in fifth gear, which is classed as 1-to-1. Obviously, if you've got a short final drive in there, it's going to down gear slightly, so we generally see a little less power than what you would normally see. To be fair to it, this is on the stock intake hose with a filter, with a bonnet scoop. You know, I don't think it's a Group M system. I don't think that's the best at all in any way, shape or form. I think there's a lot better systems out in the market. I think that's hurt us today. We've got a 4-to-1 manifold on it, and we've got yet again the Ecutek 2.5-inch claim system with 2-inch tailpipes, and I think again that's hurt us today, and we finished on 215 brake. There's quite a few factors with this car. I think it definitely needs a better induction kit. It definitely needs, you know, doing the usual things with these oil pump cams, blah blah blah, if the customer wants to push on. And there's definitely the exhaust. I think we would free up at least another 5 brake horsepower with a better induction kit and a better exhaust on it at least. You know, and then obviously moving forward with cams and such like.
You all right, Sam?
Yeah, a bit powerful.
You know, again, we'll map what we're presented with, and this is what we're presented with.
Yeah. Let's have a look at the graph, and you can sort of explain that a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, red line is as it came in, blue line is as she's leaving, and Richard thought it might have actually had a flash map.
I think it's already had a flash map on it, because the VTEC point was definitely at 4,000, and there was an over rev code in the ECU.
Yeah.
Because it was revving out to sort of 8.8, and obviously when you look at our rev range, it's slightly less than that, and obviously the VTEC engaged at the same point. So I believe this car's already had a map of some description on it. And then obviously we've improved from there today. So red line is as it came in, blue line is as she leaves, and because obviously anyone that watches the channel knows that, you know, normally around 5.8 on these you've got that dip and then they accelerate, where you can clearly see the VTEC changeover was 4,000. So I believe that this car had already had a map of some description on it anyway.
Yeah, so we finish on 216, but what you're suggesting is that obviously with a final drive slightly different.
Yeah, I think the final drive being slightly different, I think we'd have saw around 220 with this setup today.
Yeah.
We've got to cost a little bit with the final drive, but we know what that is. It's you're down gearing, so that's not a problem. But like I say, moving forward with this car, better exhaust, better induction kit, obviously cams, oil pump, so on and so forth, and then obviously she's going to make power.
Yeah, good stuff. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Hello, Samuel.
Hello.
And we'll catch you on the next one. Won't we, Richard?
We will indeed.
We will indeed. Did you enjoy that, Samuel? Did you learn something?
No, Rich learned something.
Rich learned something off you.
He's improving. Really is.
What I'll say to him. Life was pretty fast.